But see, what I just noticed coming up, like this edge right here, there's a lot of lead along here. See, this could be used to melt down and make other stuff. See, here's a good pile. See, a few others. I'm gonna just make my little pile right there. Oh snap, there's a lot right there, like in that crevice right here. I guess the water pushes down some of the weights and then you get trapped right there. See, like even right here, that's a rock. Here's some lead. See, it's a little pile right here. Yeah, see, here's some good stuff. Oh, here's one. Oh, snap. I think I'm gonna just pull my sleeve out. Yeah, see, you can see like the lead right here. I guess I'll just put these in my pocket. Maybe. I have like a free baggie right here. It's like my pliers and a bobber, because it's like dragging my whole jacket down. So I found that bunch. Here's some more. What's in my pocket right now? Oh, well, one fell in my backpack. I have some big ones in here somewhere in my pocket. There you go. Some other handful. I think that's most of it. I think we got enough for like those few minutes that we were looking. Let's just go fish.